Today I thought of liquidity, and liquidity is actually the thing that moves the market. If there is no liquidity, most of the time find that the market is really ranging. So how can we really take advantage of this liquidity so that we can know an area where liquidity is, and so we are able to execute our orders confidently? So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can take advantage of liquidity so that we can execute trades perfectly, and I'm planning to really know areas, or rather zones, where we can really find liquidity and be able to execute trades confidently with assurance. Okay, so guys, this video is for educational purposes only, for day trading and scalping. Okay, so you can watch this closely, backtest this, also try this live using the tools I am going to show you right in this video. And once you understand what I'm really going to show you, then you test this on your live market. Definitely I allow you to go live in trading market. You know, I tell you, we try to make the best out of what we have. So today I thought of combining liquidity and market structure to see what will plot out. So guys, welcome you to Money Close FX Education YouTube channel. Maybe it's the first time you came across my channel. Welcome you. Kindly join us by subscribing to this channel, clicking on this red button written subscribe, and definitely you'll be part of this amazing family, because I believe and honestly I know this is where you belong. If you're already part of this family, I salute you. Okay, so guys, let's talk about liquidity in this video. So what do you really understand about a liquidity? I want to give you a very simple example that can really make you understand what liquidity is. Liquidity, you can compare it with a car. For a car to move, it has to have fuel. So if a car have no fuel, the car cannot move at any given point. So liquidity now is a fuel like the market needs so that the market can really move. And some people are always wrong in identifying liquidity. You end up thinking this is liquidity and you find yourself also losing money. So we have these great indicators that does this for us, and as well combining with the market structure, and those who help us to really understand about liquidity and how we can take advantage of liquidity and execute our orders right away. Before that, let me explain something to you what you're going to use. I'm going to consider a trending market and as well a ranging market. So as you know, when the market is ranging, this is just a sketch. We have equal highs and equal lows. Okay, so we look for buying opportunity on lows, and as well when the market is consolidating, we do look for sales at highs. Okay, and so when the market is selling as well, we have lower highs when the market is trending to the downside, and lower low. And on lower high we look for selling opportunity, and lower low we look for buying opportunity. That's what you're going to keep in mind. When the market is rising, we have higher high, and as well we have higher lows. Okay, on higher high, look for your selling opportunities. On your higher low, look for your buying opportunities. So I want you to really keep this in mind, simply because we're going to combine this with the liquidity indicator we have right now. First of all, I want us to insert the liquidity indicator right now. Once we insert the indicator, we're going to insert the indicator still that will show us this higher high and lower low live. Okay, so this will be automatic, and that's why I decided to combine it. So let's add the first indicator, which will show us the liquidity. So you're just going to type liquidity heat map by Nephew Sam. So click on it. Once you click on it, this is how it appears right on your chart. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have highlights in red and we have highlights in blue. Okay, but this will not definitely give us an assurance that we should look for a selling opportunity or buying opportunity. Of course, we're going to combine this with the market structure, which will help us to really know we are at the right track. So you're just going to click on indicators tab right here. Once you click on indicators tab, you're going to type higher high, lower low live by lump sum. Click on it. So this will just plot out what I've really told you, what we are really going to do for us to execute trades. Remember, I have told you liquidity is like the fuel the market needs so that it can push the market either to the upside or to the downside. And why have I really inserted this market structure? Because I really want us to see liquidity is going hand in hand with what we're supposed to look for in a market. Okay, so I told you we're going to consider a trending market and a ranging market. Remember, on lower high we're looking for selling opportunity, and higher low we are looking for buying opportunity, and on higher high we are looking for selling opportunity, and lower low we are looking for buying opportunity. Okay, so that's what we're really supposed to keep in mind. So guys, as you can see at this level over here, you see liquidity zones on these structures over here. This is where you're going to consider taking your trades. Okay, so on lower low over here, what you really need to see is liquidity. Okay, once you see liquidity, this will definitely tell you that you should look for your buying opportunity. And then as you can see right here, guys, the market really went up to this level over here. Talk about this low over here. I told you on lows we look for buying opportunity. You can see the market really pushed to the upside up to this level over here. So again, right here we have a high. I told you we do look for selling opportunity, and you can see the market really dropped up to this level. You can see right now you can use this to execute your trades confidently. Either you want to scalp or rather you want to day trade. Okay, so let's talk about this level over here. Again, we have liquidity in red color over here, and you can see we have high. So what you're really supposed to do is looking for your selling opportunity. When price breaks that structure over here, execute your order, and remember to exit your trades right close to this higher low over here. Okay, so guys, that's what I really wanted you to understand. It's actually a very short video but full of information. This is ultimately trying to make the best out of what we really have. Okay, so guys, you can see right here, like considering the indicator screen, you should look for buying opportunity. This will definitely make you lose money, simply because I told you on low look for buying opportunity, on high look for selling opportunity, but make sure you have seen liquidity around that zone. So for instance, right here this was a low, and indeed we had a liquidity zone over here, and you can see the market is really pushing to the upside. Here we had high over here, and you can see we had this liquidity zone over here, and the market really dropped. Right here still we had low and liquidity, and the market really pushed to the upside. Here we have lower high over here, liquidity at the zone, and the market really pushed to the downside. Here we have high low, still you have liquidity right here, so you can look for your buying opportunity. Okay, so guys, why have I decided to combine the liquidity and the market structure? This will help us to really know indeed you are at the right track, and the possibility of making money in forex trading is very high, simply because you have two strong confirmation now. Okay, so guys, let me say that I have tried to do all this, trying to combine the indicator, simply because this is actually the most important thing you must know. So guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget as well to subscribe if you haven't, and as well to turn on your notification bell, simply because a lot more is coming in this channel. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you nothing but the best. Continue working hard, because I really know your hard work will pay you. So guys, I've done a lot of videos explaining about the higher high, higher low, when to do all about that. Pay attention to what I've told you. Make sure your liquidity is actually at the zone I've talked about. Okay, so guys, what do I say? Bye, see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't, like this video as well.